Boys and girls, you have no idea what I have in store for you guys. You're gonna see pizza. You're gonna see something that's not pizza. It's pizza again, or it's not pizza. Look at that. Tell me this is not something that you wanna make. Tell me just right now. What's the name of this show? Sam's Cooking Kitchen Chronicles. That's what we're doing today. No, that's what we're doing today. The name of the show, Sam's Cooking Kitchen Chronicles. What are we doing today? PIZZA SANDO, the talk show by Sam Njoroge, aka Sam's Cooking. Take one. Ooh, the PIZZA SANDO. Oh my god, that PIZZA SANDO, it's more like, it's actually what it sounds like. You have like your bread, you have cheesy, your different kinds of cured meat. Yeah. Tomatoes, freshly cracked pepper, and you have your sando. That is like 180 ml lukewarm water, but who knows? Nimewe, so it's 180. About a teaspoon of yeast, a tablespoon of sugar. We give that a stir. Yeah, so we just gotta let the yeast do its thing right over here. Yes, most recipes will say you leave your yeast to bloom and stuff. I also say that, but it's not really that your yeast has to bloom. It's just a way of verifying that your yeast is alive. So if you have like faith, your yeast is alive, you don't really have to do that. You can just like 250 grams of flour. And just a light sprinkle of salt. That's like half a teaspoon of salt. Yeah, half a teaspoon of salt. The yeasty juices go in. Oh wait, I thought it was here. Perfect. My mwiko. The mwiko or cooking stick comes in handy kama you don't want to touch the flour. So you just give it a stir. Especially when it's wet, it's gonna really stick. So it's good if you have one of these. Stir. Perfect. See, we have a bowl that needs olive oil. Oh my god, where's olive oil? Just like a tablespoon of olive oil, I think. Yeah. Perfect. Look at that beautiful dough. Do you even need to put our hands in there? Nah. Ooh, listen to that. I got this from one of my fans. I don't know what this is, but it's beautiful. And I love it. And thank you. Which fan? Tell us who the fan is. Not Wanjiro, definitely not Wanjiro. Wanjiro is like, why am I here today? I'm really yawning. In love with all your floats and scenes. I'm gonna do a generous dusting of flour onto my table. Then my beautiful dough hops in. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that, my boy. Look at that, my boy. At times you just have to get your hands dirty, especially with dough making. As much as you want to use your mwiko or your cooking stick or whatever sticks that you want to use, you just have to get your hands dirty. So you get in there and do some. I'm gonna have like a music playing in the background. I don't know what song that is, but that's the song I'm gonna do. A ball of dough, a ball of dough is trying to come together, but it's refusing. But we're gonna make it. So at times you have to fight with these things. You have a ball of dough stressing you out. Gently fold it. Tell it, dough, you know what? I'm your daddy. And you know what? I'm gonna pull you together. So now we have a nice ball of dough. In the same bowl, I'm just gonna do some olive oil in the bottom. A bit of swirling. Don't worry about this sticky stuff. We carry our dough gently and we place her in there. Cling film. Zippy. Kissing it good night. And see in like 2 hours. No, 2 hours. Yeah. 2 hours it is in the oven. Not in the oven. Yay! 2 hours! 2 months? No, 3 months. Actually, the last recipe I made, Shiroin was it in March? Oh my days! Oh my god! It's been long, guys, but as you can see, I'm back. Different-ish, not that different. Just we're back. That's all you should know. We're back and we're here to stay. We've invested millions of dollars. We're looking good. Over there, our sticky paste. Just a bit of flour. I love to get it moving, of course, you know. Like we need that same energy from earlier. It's super light, super flexible, just perfect. So what you're gonna do is divide this dough into two. Something like that. So you have this half and you have this half. But for now, I'm just gonna use this half. Just a little bit more of that flour, so that as we roll our dough, we have zero stickiness. The dough just moves nice and easy. We want the dough to cruise. Oopsie. Oh no, I didn't flour my stick. What is happening? What is happening, people? What is happening? Oh, okay, we're back. See? That's the roundest. Okay, that's not round. If you're getting some stickiness and the rounding is not rounding, just a bit more flour and just roll. Semolina! Guys, if you don't use semolina in making your pizza, I don't know what you're doing, because with normal flour, well, you dust your pan with flour, you dust your baking tray with flour, then place your pizza dough, then doing the toppings and all. You'll get a decent pizza, that's for sure. But try semolina. My goodness, your pizza crust will be you want to have a crunch and a bite in your pizza. That's what semolina brings into the party. It's just a touch of semolina onto our baking tray. Is place our beautifully rolled dough in there, like that. Olive oil. Over here. I'm gonna do a generous touch of olive oil. Then I'm gonna flip this just like that. Can I get a hell yeah? I'm gonna send this into the hellfire for like what's the pizza time? For like 12 minutes. In you go, back there you go at 220C. So I got a couple of fresh tomatoes. We're gonna do thin slices. This is part of the toppings of our pizza sando. Just some nice thin slices. I need a sharper knife. I told Jesse I'm gonna call her after an hour. Right now it's 6:49. Jesse, I'm sorry. I've been cooking the whole afternoon. Oh yeah. That is our cooked bread. Where's my knife? I need to like whoosh. Where's my knife? That's the sound you want to hear from your bread. Why am I using a knife? Let me use a spatula. Shiro, where's my spatula? Perfect. Yank out your bread, looking all nice and oh my god, look at this, Shiro. Good looking bread. Unmasking your pizza. That smells so good. Oh my god. Let me just anchor it like that. Just to keep it like, and not just. Smoked chicken ham, can see what is against you. Okay. Smoked chicken ham, pork salami Hungarian, and what the hell? Pork salami palaciego. Hope I didn't butcher that. You know the best thing with making pizza, with making pizza dough, the longer you let it stay, the longer you let it rise, is the better it gets. It's like fine wine, but don't let it stay for too long. So you see, like the dough we made today, we've let it rest for 2 hours, if we let it rest for like, let's say 48 hours, 72 hours, it will have had that fermenty taste. That is something that personally I love. You need to bite into everything. The bread, the cheese, the salami, the other meaties, and the bread and the basil. Some nice blocks of mozzarella. Oh yeah. However much cheese you need in your sando, you just be you, That is 1. Oh, perfect. 2. Oh, look at that. 3. Oh yeah. 4. You don't want to come outside and play? I love when we do the salami. This shit oily as fuck. Oh my god, this is like paper. Look at that. What the heck is this? And look at that. That's thick. 2 salami. 1 thick layer of your ham. Had to force issues. We just layer them perfectly, just how they come. We send this back into the hellfire for 5 minutes. The toppest layer of the hellfire. Just 5 minutes. Seriously, set a timer for 5 minutes. Ooh, I don't have Siri.
5 minutes, counting down.
Thank you. Who's a melty boy? Who's a melty boy? Ooh, what is going on here? Netflix update required. Are you calling me poor Netflix? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sliced tomatoes up, down, left, right, center. We do some freshly cracked pepper and just a light pinch of salt. A touch of Mother Nature, that is big leafy basil. And now, my boys and girls, we have just assembled one of the best sandos you will ever glance at. Dog, what did you make today? Our best pizza. Dog, what did you make today? A pizza sando! Right? No. So let's do like a diagonal slice, diagonal it is. Oh yeah. Did I let you guys hear this? Let me take a big fat bite because after how long has it been? Oh my god! After 6 hours of all this madness, we're here. And when I say 6 hours, when you make this recipe, it'll take you less than 2 hours plus 15 minutes plus 2.5 hours, less than 2.5 hours. But since this is like a shoot, it tends to take longer because I take breaks and stuff and unnecessary things. I go up, I go down, I shoot, I reshoot, I call, I recall. And it's just a long process. So we dig in. Okay, hold on. We need to like brace for this. So you have your bread, your pizza dough, well cooked, fresh from the oven. Ooh, smelling so good. Some olive oil in there. You've done a layer of cheese. You've done your 3 different kinds of meats in there. Right? Proteins, whatever it is. You can even do mushrooms in there, I don't care. Whatever it is in there. You need some sliced tomatoes in there. Then some basil over the top, that's Mother Nature. With some freshly cracked pepper and some salt. Then cover it. Take a bite. Oh yeah. Walk with me, Shiro. Walk with me. Take a bite. This is an emotional bite, so close your eyes. It's like your first kiss. A roller coaster of emotions. Good boys and girls, that's the best thing I've ever had. From this day forth, you put your faith in me. Okay, my good boys and girls. So boys and girls, if you make this, please be like, hey Sam, guess what I made? I made the pizza sando that you made. And I'm gonna be so happy, my heart is gonna be so warm. If you like the video, drop a fat like. If you wanna see more of this content, subscribe. If you don't wanna see more of this content, like and subscribe. And basically, subscribe and like and share and comment. Say Sam, holdspatula. And I'll be happy once more. Because I was happy initially because you made my recipe. And I'm gonna be happy again. Holdspatula, guys. Love all your flaws and sins that are we able to give compliments.